Hi! In front of me is POCO X3 GT, and today I would like to show you how you can operate vibration settings. You need to begin by opening settings and scrolling down to access sound and vibration. Now scroll down again and click on this switcher next to vibrate vocals. This way you can enable or disable incoming calls vibrations. You can also click on this one next to vibrate in silent mode to enable or disable vibrations while your device is muted. If you want to, you can also tap on this switcher next to haptic feedback. This way, you can enable or disable haptic response to gestures and system controls. If you decide to enable it, you can even adjust intensity by swiping left or right or on haptic feedback level slider. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!